Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into boot mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume down. So power, volume down, both of those keys at the same time, and you should immediately see the boot mode. And in here, you'll use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you can start, which means just go back to the Android system. You can restart Bootloader, which just goes back to where we are right now. Go to recovery mode, power off the device, see Bootloader logs, and switch tool mode. And some barcode, I guess. So I'm gonna simply just go with the start, so I'll leave this mode. So once you have it selected like so, all you need to do is press power key to confirm it, and it will perform whatever was selected. And you can see that we're back in the Android system. So that is how you access and also leave the boot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.